Lift it on up. Cable coming taut now. Cable coming taut.
Down now. Come on now, hurry up.
And up we go.
Hurry up.
Okay, and again on up. All together, Take it on up.
Hurry up. Get up.
Got hold to it. I got hold of it. That's it.
Everybody
The train was moving at a very high rate of speed for that time of railroad travel, but to my anxious mind it was moving far too slowly. Minutes were hours, and hours were days during this part of my flight. The border lines between slavery and freedom were dangerous ones. The heart of no fox or deer, with hungry hounds on its trail in full chase, could have beaten more anxiously or noisily than did mine from the time I left Baltimore till I reached Philadelphia.